Hi everyone, we're going to evaluate the given integral, and to simplify the integrand we're going to use partial fraction decomposition, and it'll make it easier to integrate. So we have repeating linear factors here, so what I'm going to do is write this as a divided by 2x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2 plus c divided by x minus 2 squared. Now, what we want to do is eliminate the fraction, so just multiply both sides of the equation by your least common denominator, which is this. So that's 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 squared. So this will cancel, and you're going to get x squared minus 5x plus 16 equals a times x minus 2 squared plus b times 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 plus c times x minus, just c is going to be 2x plus 1. Now, to eliminate some of these and find your a's and b's, let's go ahead and let's set x equal 2, and that would give us 2 squared minus 10 plus 16, and that's going to cancel out these two. So this is going to equal 5 when you plug in the 2. So you get 5c. Therefore, you get 10 equals 5c. Therefore, c is going to equal 2. Now, to eliminate this one, let's write x equal 1/2, or negative 1/2. So we're going to let x equal negative 1/2. And that's going to give us 1/4 plus 5/2 plus 16. And then we're going to get 25/4 a. Because I plugged in the 1/2 here and then squared it. Okay, so basically when you clean that up, you're going to get, simplify that, you're going to get a equals 3. Because this is 75/4 equals 25/4 a. So a has to be 3. Now, to get the b part, what we're going to do is equate coefficients of x squared. The way we can do that without overworking and making it really messy here is, I know that the coefficient for this x squared is 1, and I know here, so I'm just going to put, that's going to be x squared. Let's do a different color. X squared equals, and I'm going to do a, and you square that, that's going to be ax squared. And these two, that's going to be plus 2bx squared. So what we can do is pull out the x squared and get a plus 2b. So now we equated our coefficients. We have 1's in front of here, so that will cancel, and you get 1 equals a plus 2b. So we didn't have to go through and fill all that in. All we need to, because we already had 2 of our constants. So go ahead and plug in your 3 for a. You get 1 equal 3 plus 2b. So 2b equals negative 2. Therefore, b equals negative 1. So we'll write b equals negative 1. Now we can rewrite our integral as 3 divided by 2x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus 2 divided by x minus 2 squared dx. So to take this one, take the antiderivative of that, that's going to be 3 ln of 2x plus 1, but don't forget we have to do the 2 here, so that's going to be 1/2. So this is just going to be 3/2 there. Minus ln of x minus 2, and this one's going to be plus, well, this one, remember, just put your 2 out here. It's a constant. This is x minus 2 squared, negative 2, so add 1. And that's going to give you negative 1. So put a negative 1 under here. So that's going to change this to negative because it was positive here. So negative 2 divided by x minus 2. And then plus c. And that's going to be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.